Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making stir fried cabbage with coconut. For this we need whole red chili 3 numbers, garlic 3 to 4 clove, 4 to 5 curry leaves, dry coconut chopped, ginger very finely chopped, coriander leaf for garnishing, coconut milk, mustard seed, salt to taste, grated coconut and cabbage very finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, let it crackle. Add 4 to 5 curry leaf, add half a teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of very finely chopped garlic. Cook it for couple of seconds. Add 2 to 3 whole red chili, add 1 teaspoon dry coconut chopped. Now add 250 grams of finely chopped cabbage. Add in 2 parts. On high flame, cook it, mix it, stir it. Add salt to taste and cook it for further 1 minute. Now add half a bowl of grated coconut. Cook it for another 1 minute so the flavor of coconut will be absorbed by cabbage. Now moist it with 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. Now add remaining coconut, grated coconut, and mix it again. Garnish it with coriander leaf and your stir fried cabbage with coconut is ready. So try stir fried cabbage with coconut. Thank you.